Our lash specialists have developed 3 unique ways to create your iconic look. The one-by-one treatment. Advise your customer to come to the appointment without wearing makeup. Make sure your salon is clean and all equipment is disinfected. Apply Jackie M eye makeup remover foam with the foam brush to clean the lashes. Place a small amount of eye makeup remover foam on the foam brush and make soft circular movements to clean the eye area. Clean the entire eye area, including the upper and lower eyelid, where the nourishing eye patch will be placed. Remove the eye makeup remover foam residue by using Jackie M Cleaning Eye Care Lotion. Cover the lower lashes gently with Jackie M Nourishing Eye Patches. A junior lash stylist is able to use Jackie M Mapping Sticker as a reminder for the application of different lash extensions. Use the mascara brush to neatly brush the natural eyelashes to determine which length and thickness of the one-by-one eyelash extensions you require. Use the micro brushes to apply Jackie M Lash Primer onto the natural eyelashes. Use transparent tape to hold up the upper eyelid. Place the glue sticker onto the glass plate. Place a drop of Jackie M eyelash adhesive onto the glue sticker. Place the eyelash extensions one by one onto the natural eyelashes. Use the zigzag technique with the tweezers to see if knots have formed. Once all one-by-one eyelash extensions have been placed, it is important to use a mascara brush to brush the lash extensions. Make sure you brush from the top of the upper lashes. You move the brush from your upper eyelid towards the end of the upper eyelashes. Carefully remove the transparent tape, mapping sticker, and nourishing eye patches. Use the Jackie M Air Puff to blow away vapors. Inform your customer about the instructions and aftercare of Jackie M eyelash treatment. We highly recommend to use Jackie M eye makeup remover foam. Thank you for watching and visit JackieMamsterdam.com.